When it comes to home improvement, many homeowners in Talladega focus on upgrades like kitchens, bathrooms, or flooring. While these updates are valuable, one improvement that often gets overlooked is door replacement. Investing in new doors may not seem as glamorous, but the long-term value it brings to your home is undeniable. From boosting curb appeal to improving security and energy efficiency, replacing your doors offers benefits that continue paying off for years. Enhanced curb appeal and property value. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. An outdated, worn, or damaged door can detract from your home's overall appearance. By replacing it with a modern, stylish design, you instantly elevate curb appeal. For homeowners planning to sell, this is a major advantage. Real estate experts agree that first impressions matter. Potential buyers often equate the condition of your doors with the overall care of your property. A new front or patio door can help your home stand out in the Talladega market, potentially increasing resale value. Even if you're not selling anytime soon, the pride of coming home to a refreshed, attractive entryway is priceless. Improved energy efficiency. Talladega experiences hot summers and chilly winters, making energy efficiency a top concern for homeowners. Older doors, especially wooden ones that have warped over time, often allow drafts and leaks. This forces your heating and cooling systems to work harder, leading to higher energy bills. Modern replacement doors are designed with advanced insulation and weatherproofing technology. Materials such as fiberglass, insulated steel, and energy-efficient glass panels help regulate indoor temperatures. Over the years, these savings add up, making door replacement an investment that pays for itself. Greater home security. Your doors are your first line of defense against intruders. If they're weak, outdated, or equipped with old locks, your home could be vulnerable. Newer doors are built with stronger materials and reinforced frames that withstand forced entry attempts. Many replacement doors also come with upgraded locking systems for added peace of mind. For Talladega families, this improved security is a key long-term benefit. Knowing that your home is well protected offers reassurance that is hard to put a price on. Reduced maintenance. Old wooden doors often require frequent sanding, painting, or sealing to keep them looking good and performing well. Even with care, they may still crack, warp, or peel over time. Modern doors, on the other hand, are designed with low-maintenance materials like fiberglass, vinyl, and steel. These options resist warping, rotting, and fading, which means you spend less time and money on upkeep. In the long run, this adds to the overall value of your investment. Better comfort and noise reduction. Beyond looks and savings, new doors enhance your daily comfort. Insulated doors not only keep drafts out but also reduce noise from outside traffic or neighborhood activity. For Talladega homeowners living near busy streets, this feature can make a noticeable difference in creating a quieter, more relaxing home environment. A smart investment for the future. While the upfront cost of door replacement may feel significant, it's important to view it as a long-term investment. The combination of improved energy efficiency, increased property value, reduced maintenance, and enhanced security makes this home improvement project one of the most rewarding. For Talladega homeowners, investing in door replacement isn't just about today, it's about preparing your home for the future. Whether you're planning to sell, reduce utility costs, or simply enjoy a more comfortable and secure home, replacing your doors delivers long-lasting benefits that continue to add value year after year. Final word. Investing in door replacement in Talladega is a decision that pays off in more ways than one. From boosting curb appeal to saving on energy bills and improving safety, the advantages extend far beyond the initial installation. For homeowners looking to enhance both the look and function of their home, this is one upgrade that truly stands the test of time.